Hi, sweet family. Today I am coming before you with a very, very quick recipe, and we are going to make some cayenne pepper salve. And the reason I am making this salve is because sometimes, your joints hurt, all kinds of things hurt, and cayenne pepper has the capsaicin in it, and that is what helps with a lot of pain. I'm not making too much because sometimes I make these things and I just have them here. So I am, as I said, it's just gonna be a simple recipe, and I'm just doing like 4 ounces of the cayenne pepper. Now this is my cayenne pepper oil, and I would have shown y'all before how I made this, and I am just going to use my little handy strainer to strain it. This is a very fine mesh strainer, and it strains out all the little grounds and everything like that. So, and then this is just 2 ounces, 2 tablespoons of beeswax that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to put any mango butter or shea butter in it or anything like that today. I'm just doing the plain cayenne pepper salve. So look at how beautiful that is. And as I said, I'm just doing 4 ounces. So that looks like 4 ounces, but that is so beautiful. Then I just have a little bit of vitamin E that I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to also put some cedarwood, which is also good for pain. So I'm going to put that as well. These are my 2 containers that I'm going to be using. So it looks like more than 4 ounces actually, but it is beautiful. Let me just pour out some because it looks like more than, that's 5 ounces. All right. That's 4 ounces. And then I'm going to just drop my beeswax in there. And I am going to put this in my microwave on 30-second bursts. And I will be right back. Right? This is all done. It's not really hot at all. And I had it in at 2 30-second bursts. So I'm just gonna put some vitamin E oil. I need some vitamin E oil. And that is like 15 drops of the vitamin E. I'm going to let it cool a little longer. But this is so pretty. This cayenne pepper is so pretty. And, as I said, if you have arthritis or anything like that in your joints, this cayenne pepper salve will be great for that. But if you are using it, just make sure when you're done, wash your hands because it is pepper. And or even if you want to use gloves when you put it on, that's better yet. But I put 20 drops of the cedar wood in there. I'm going to put an extra 5 because that is awesome for the pain as well. So I'm going to just put these in my container, and then when they are hardened, I will be right back. But I can't, I'm so amazed at how pretty this is. This is just so pretty. All right, I have a little left over, so I put that in a small container or something. Salve is all done, and it is so beautiful. This is our Cayenne Pepper salve, and I am just gonna leave it uncovered for a little bit. So family, if you enjoyed this short video, you know what to do. Just give me a like, a share, and a subscribe. And thank you in advance for that. And send me a comment, because if there's anything else that you were interested in seeing, I will surely bring it for you.